Hi everybody and welcome to my channel where I will be posting vlogs from my adventures to Denmark. I am really excited because I'm actually just about to leave and I've got a long flight to Copenhagen ahead of me. I'm gonna arrive in Copenhagen and I'm gonna meet my friend, my awesome Danish friend Astrid in Copenhagen, and we're gonna hop on a ferry to the city of Aarhus and we're gonna stay there for a couple days. We've got some big party event type thing at the university to attend. I can't remember what it's called right now. Hopefully I get some sleep on the plane because I honestly don't know what to expect. Astrid described it to me as like some kind of boat race. I have no idea. So yeah, I'm like really excited and a little bit anxious and nervous about it. I'm just really excited to see my friend who I haven't seen since September. So yeah, that's that. And I hope you enjoy my videos. See you later. Hello. Hello. So all of that is like new. So like they're building a lot of new stuff up there. Cool. Words come to life. But who does he think he is? That's the worst you got, but it puts you. Alright, so where are we? We're at the campus in Aarhus at Kapsejladsen. Kapsejladsen is a race between the different faculties where you race in like kayaks, like racing kayaks and drinking beers, and you win a golden trophy and the honor. We were out here, we left at 3:30, yeah, and there was people all over the place already, yeah, and we're drinking and it's like 4:30 in the morning. Yeah, we're gonna stay here until like 6 in the evening, so yeah, that's 12 hours of fun, you know. Yeah, I have like 5 hours of sleep. Yep. So I just got here yesterday, so yeah. Thanks for the memories, even though they weren't so great. It tastes like you, sweeter. One night, yeah, one more time. Thanks for the memories, thanks for the memories. It tastes like you, sweeter. Okay, so that's all the footage I have from the event. Like Astrid and I were saying earlier in the video, we started drinking at 4 a.m. and we didn't leave until 6 p.m. So as the day progressed, the footage just kept getting worse and worse. So I do want to explain some things that maybe didn't come through in the footage. For example, what the event entailed. Each faculty put together a relay team. These teams trained months in advance for this. What they had to do was chug a beer, spin around 10 times, and then hop into a kayak and race back and forth across the lake. That was honestly, that took an hour out of the day. We got there at 4 a.m. and that event didn't start till 1. So we were drinking and singing songs and playing games just amongst ourselves up until that point.
It was absolute madness. There was about 30,000 people in attendance. Everybody is kind of separated into their different faculties. So I was with the sports sciences faculty. We were all in orange. And oh, I just can't get over how crazy it was. There was like smoke bombs and people were throwing things and taking off their clothes and just absolute madness. It's so hard to explain. You have to kind of be there to understand it. But it was so fun, and I was so grateful to have been able to be there for that event because my friend had talked about it before and she said it was great, and it really was. And I'd love to go back again someday, maybe next year if I can head back to Denmark. That being said, I'm going to leave some information about the event, Kapsejladsen, in the description. If you've ever been and you had a favorite part of it, or if you have questions about it, make sure to drop a comment below. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, so that you can get notified for future videos, although I'm pretty sure it's just my mom and dad watching this now. But if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day. Hi, Mom and Dad.